Hello friends, Tanya here, and today I am featuring the Porta-Hello stamps and dies. This is a 4x4 stamp set, and it features a grouping of mushrooms and various foliage. There are coordinating dies for the stamp set, which has a large main image and 5 coordinating, slightly punny sentiments, and each of the sentiments has a coordinating die also. The die set includes 6 pieces, and I know that you will enjoy creating with this as much as I did. Here I have all of the stamps stamped out and die cut with their coordinating dies, and we have that large mushroom colored and uncolored. Here are the sentiments: I love you, Morel and Morel, each day. Porta-Hello, thanks so much. Shiitake happens, and I have so much room in my heart for you. Here I have colored this image with Copic markers, and this one has no coloring. Open to your imagination. You could color this with many different mediums: Copics, colored pencils, watercolor, whatever you want. It's beautiful. Here are a few examples from the design team. We all enjoyed playing with this stamp set, and I know you will too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that now. If you are interested in the stamp set, it is listed and linked in the description box below. Here are a couple more videos we thought you might enjoy. Until next time, bye-bye.